How to make your TikTok account public. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can make your account public on TikTok. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up TikTok app and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen here, and you'll be heading into your profile. Now here you can see my account is public. If your account is private, you'll get the lock icon instead at the profile username or at your profile at the top. Now however, if your account is private and you want to set to public, or if your account is public and you want to set it to private, the process is similar, so let me guide you. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings and privacy. Once in settings and privacy, head into the option privacy, and at the very top you'll find the option private account. Now if your account is private, this option should be enabled here. Now you can see my private account is enabled. If you want to disable it, simply tap on that, toggle that button off again, and you can see it'll ask you to switch to public accounts. Tap on switch and it'll be switched to public account. If you want to switch back to private account, simply tap on it again, enable it, and it'll be switched to private account. If you want to switch it back to public account, simply enable it, disable this, and I'll tap on switch account. So this way you can make your TikTok account public on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.